Hello guys, I'm Hidayatum Karim. Just call me Farah. I'm from Vocational High School 3 Sorong. Do you know what is the most favorite and popular food from Papua? Before that, I hope your day always like Monday. H, just kidding guys. I hope you have a great day. Now I wanna make a local food, which is very popular with the people. This food is also served at various important events, such as during traditional ceremony. Yes, this food is called papeda. The raw material for which is sagu and then mixed with various spices, one of which is ikan kuah kuning. Papeda has a characteristic taste that is fresh, chew, and clear in the color. Are you curious how to make papeda or have you ever made it? Don't waste your time to think you ever or not. Just follow me and see in the process how to make it. Guys, these are the ingredients we need to make papeda. First, salt to taste, oil for frying, sagu, 2 or more fish, 2 lemongrass, 3 turmeric, 2 thinly sliced galangal, and 2 ginger, lemon, and don't forget this one, tomato, basil leaves, this is chili, and 5 red onions and 3 garlic. All is prepared and the next step, we cook the fish sauce or ikan kuah kuning. This is fish that has been cleaned and then let's stand for 15 minutes. While waiting this one, let's make the other. Push all the ingredients for the spices with a mortar or blender. Pour in the oil. Set the ground spices until cooked and smells good. You can also add lime leaf too, but this is optional. Continue to stir fry for a while until the lemongrass will a bit. Next, add 1 liter of water, then cook until boil. Reduce the heat to medium position, then add the fish. Cook until the fish changes color and is cooked. Next, add the tomato. Guys, don't forget to add lemon. And finally, add the basil leaf. Ikan kuah kuning is done. Now we make the papeda. After the papeda has been allowed to stand, throw away the water used to soak the papeda. add water and stir until it becomes runny. Don't forget to add lemon and salt. After that, pour the hot water into the container containing the sago. Then stir until mix evenly until the texture changes to chew. And papeda is ready with ikan kuah kuning. That's all from my video. Let's try making this food at home, and I hope it's useful.